Hello friends, welcome again. So in the last video we fixed this admin panel. Now it's time to fix the subcategories here. I want to add a link. When we click there and go to create subcategories for this specific category. Okay, so if I open the VS Code, I'm going to close all first, and here we are in the categories index page, but first I need to open the web PHP in the rows, and after the categories I'm going to create a new road with a get, and it's going to get the categories / category, and I'm going to say add subcategories, add sub, just like that. And here I'm going to say category controller class, and the method is going to be add sub, and I'm going to name add sub again. Close this, hit save, and open the category index blade here, and when we have edit blade, edit button, I'm going to add one more for the so here copy, and before that I'm going to add one more for add sub, and we need admin road is going to be add sub, with a category ID, and here we can add the add sub. I'm going to add flex here, hit save and refresh now, and here we have add sub. We need to add the margin 2 and padding maybe 2, or just margin 2 here, the same thing here, and also here. Hit save, come here and refresh. Maybe just a margin. Why not happen? Maybe to yeah, like this. So we have add sub, edit and delete, and now when we go there, add sub does not exist yet. So we need to go in the category controller and create that method. Method add sub, and here we expect category $sign category, and I'm going to return the view which is not here, but I'm going to create that new file, add sub.blade.php, and this is the same thing as we have in the subcategories. Create, just select all, copy and paste here, new subcategory for $sign category name, and we go back to the admin categories index, create subcategories is going to be to the admin, add sub store, and it's going to have the same. We don't need the category ID because the category is there, so we need to remove this one, just the image and the name, and save. Go here, create, return the view admin, or where is the view? View is inside the admin dot categories dot add sub, and I'm going to add a compact category here. It's save and refresh. Yeah, the road not defined because we need to copy and paste this one, and this is going to be a post request to this add sub, and this is going to be add sub store, and also add sub dot store, and hit save. Come here, refresh. In the index not index, in the add sub store here, we need the category ID here, $category ID, and refresh. Yeah, now we navigate in the categories one, add sub, and we have only the name and to choose a file. And after that we need to create a new method for the add sub store, and we expect the category and $category. And here I'm going to copy what we have in the subcategory controller store. The same thing, just copy here and paste here. The request, we need to add the request, so request $request. Okay, subcategory, import that, or we can say the category subcategories create, and category ID is this category we have here, and the ID, and we need to redirect in the category index. Okay, I think we are, if we have an image, we need to go in the category category model, because we don't have the method subcategories. And here we return the view, return $this has many subcategory class. Save, and in the category controller we say $subcategories create. I think we are okay. Refresh. Name is test1, choose a file and hit save. And the road categories index not defined yet. We need to go in the admin, refresh, okay, continue, and we go back. Now if I go in the subcategories, and we have to test one because we made two, and also here in the delete of the subcategories we have forget also here we need to add the admin, and here admin, and also here admin. Save and refresh, continue, and refresh. Okay, delete again, and I'm going to create one more time. Add sub here, so we add sub to the electronics, and electronics subcategory, hit save, and I forget to choose the image. Save, and now go to the subcategories, and yeah, we have create. And one more thing we need to do is when we go and edit this, so category controller, also here we need to add the admin again, and also here and save, and come here and refresh. In the edit plate, so categories edit, we need to add the admin here, and refresh, categories update, again admin, save and refresh, and now yeah, so here we are in the electronics. After that, this is the category here. After this, I'm going to display all the subcategories this electronics has. Okay, so after the form, yeah, here we have a form, and I'm going to add a div here, and if I go in the subcategories index, I'm going to copy what we have here, and maybe paste it here, but the category subcategories as the category, and I'm going to refresh, category like this, and yeah, now we have PC and electronics, but first I'm going to do is here I'm going to say div with a class of margin top 4, and maybe here div with class margin 2 and padding 2, subcategories, hit save and refresh. Yeah, here we have subcategories now, and we display all the subcategories this category has. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next one, friends. All the best.